Come test drive the 2016 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, trip computer, compass, power brakes, trip odometer, clock. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.